Hi guys, hello everyone! During our today's tutorial in New Year we're gonna paint the school cocktail with fruits and I think it will be fun, and I'm gonna change my style for today's class a little bit, and I'm gonna share with you my custom brush that I created. And yep, let's go! And guys, if you like my class, subscribe, thumbs up, and let's paint. I need to create a sketch. And for that I will go to the inking set and grab dry ink brush. Well, this is pretty lovely. Now we can turn off our sketching layer for a while, and that's it. That's our amazing cocktail that we're gonna paint today. This brush called Marshmallow Watercolor brush, and we have a new layer once again, and we need to grab dark red color. Well, now we need darker color, dark orange. Let's grab darker shade. Now let's finish painting mint. Here, perfect. Well, cool, almost done. Now eyes, and for eyes we need light blue color. And kinda here some, because we have a glass, so we need to paint all those reflections. Well, perfect. And guys, we've done with this part. Now I think I'm gonna go and add some shades slightly, but I need to do that on a new layer. next step is I'm gonna go and add some shades, but first of all, for that I need to go and duplicate my layer, lower the opacity a little bit, and after merge that together. Same with shade, duplicate, merge together. And now guys, I need to make one layer less visible, more visible. And I need to duplicate it one more time, go to lower layer, go to hue, saturation and brightness and turn it to white color, like this. And for now it's pretty light. And let's just duplicate it a couple of times, one more time, and merge it together. So in this way you might see our fruit is not transparent. Now we are ready to start adding some shades, and that's so simple. So you go to the selection tool, freehand, this is glass. Of course, it's also simple if you would just paint everything on different layers, but for me this way is easier. And next thing, we go to brushes, to airbrush, soft brush. And I will go and grab dark red color, kind of, increase the size, and start adding some shades. With the glass. Now let's move to another part, and I don't need to select anything for now. I will just go to the layers and press select, and now we can paint just on the top of our area where we paint before. And I do like it. I'm gonna add some background, so I will go to blue color like this, and I will grab my brush, Blue Marshmallow watercolor brush, duplicate it one more time, go to hue, saturation, brightness, turn it to white color, duplicate it 3 times and merge together with our another background. So this is very lovely. And guys, one more trick, what else you can do is you can just add text, and I will add text, and I will write something like 2021, I believe in you. And also guys, one more thing that you can do, you can add some texture. And how to do that? You need to be on a new layer, go to ink and set, and grab dry ink brush. And you might just add some tiny details that might be pretty lovely. And also same with our eyes. We might just add some dots. And one more thing that you might do is this one. And same you might do and grab darker color. The last part is just add some dark dots to our purple color, and that will be the end. Well guys, it's so simple. You can keep playing and adding more and more different color variations. But for now I do like how it looks, and I wish you luck in 2021st year, and I wish you luck with your own art projects. So if you like my class, subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other in the next video. Bye bye!